If you're inside GHL AI Studio and try to figure out why you can connect properly your form, it's probably not on you. For some reason, GoHighLevel changed the way you connect the form to your websites, specifically in Studio AI, and it's completely different from what it was and what you know. And in this video, I'll walk you through step by step how you can connect your beautiful websites that you've just created to automations inside GoHighLevel so you can start sending emails, start some automations, and do all the sort of stuff that you're used to do with the regular form. So let's jump into it. So obviously, first of all, what do we need is to create a page. And right now I've created this one. It took me like 5 minutes. You see, it's pretty cool, well animated. I like it. Yeah, we don't need more. Basically, how I did that is I go to the Flows Page Architect website. I filled up my information, chose the layout, chose what I want to promote, chose the colors, and just generated the prompt. If you're interested into just trying it out, I'm leaving the link inside the description. So after we have the website, the first thing that we see after generating and creating it, it'll ask us to connect to the CRM. But let's say I did not just created it, I've already made some changes, so you probably won't see that message. It will be just gone since you already made a few changes. So what you do is you ask it, hey, connect the form to GHL. We're sending this and it should give us this pop-up. Let's wait for a second. Okay, perfect, there it is. This is what we need. So we have the connect to CRM and we simply click on connect right here. What it does basically is creating some sort of a tracking link. I'm not really sure, really, and it doesn't matter because, yeah, as long as it works, we don't really care. At least I don't really care. What matters is just creating the form. Okay, right now it updated something and it is now wired. Now what we want to do is to give the form a name. Right now, I'm not sure if it even has one, or maybe it is just a general one. So let's name the form 30 days email plan and send. Now it will create the name and we'll have it. So we'll basically know how to distinguish it from other forms that you will be creating on this page. So let's wait a minute. Good. Now we're good to go. Basically, we have the form, it's connected already. We have the name so we can distinguish it. And what's left to do is to open it in a tab and just opt in. So Dennis, and my email address is Dennis. If you miss this step, it won't have the form. It won't show it for some reason. Probably you have to go through it before it shows, so just do it. Okay, now everything is connected and should work. So let's go back. And now let's go to automations. Let's create a new automation. So click on create workflow on the right. Let's start from scratch. And let's call the workflow opt-in 30-day plan, right? The trigger, what we're looking for is not form, right? What we're used to do is to look for form submitted, but what we want is external tracking event, right? That's the new one for Studio AI. We click on add filters and the filter right here should be event. Now, in any off, and we click, then we click on one more time on add filters. We're adding another one. Now it would be external form, and we click on is, and now we select our form. So right now I have the 30-day email plan. Those are ones I created before, so I know that this is the one. Click and save, and we are good to go. From now, you are free to just continue to do automations as you wish. Let's say I want to send an email. right? Since I want to deliver the lead magnet, so it will be from me, write my email, whatever, pay, grab your 30 days plan, whatever, right? And send email. Okay, so that's basically how you do that. That's how you add the email. From this point on, you're free to just continue the automation as you wish, add whatever you want, right? So yeah, that's exactly how you do this. And if you're into the website creator, again, the link is inside the description. But if you're looking to add a domain to your page, because right now it has GHL's awkward and weird domain, in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to connect it. So go and check it out next. See ya there.